Welcome to series Raji's Cuisine. Today we will be making broccoli and green peas soup with Indian curry leaves and mustard seeds. So this is a very basic, simple recipe. But how did Raji come up with this recipe? Is when she was a recent immigrant, she was craving a lot for her Indian spice food, and all she found were the vegetables like broccoli and peas over here. So she said she was really craving to eat in her home style food. So when she traveled here, Mrs. Iyer, her chef back home in India, she said that you could make anything with mustard and cumin tempered spices, where you can give to any dish a nice Brahmin touch, is what she says. So it's interesting how Raji uses curry leaves and mustard and cumin for this soup. And even the broccoli and peas is all green, but when you look at the soup, it is so flavorful that every spoonful is very tasty. So Raji also says how she remembers her cook, Mrs. Iyer, and says how she inspired her to start using mustard and cumin in almost most of her dishes. So let's look at the ingredients needed for broccoli and green pea soup with Indian curry spices, curry leaves, and mustard seeds. Ingredients for our broccoli and green pea soup with Indian curry leaves and mustard seeds. So, half cup of peas, fresh peas or frozen peas, 1 cup of broccoli heads, a very little portion, a little bit more than a pinch of cumin and mustard, 1/4 tablespoon of peanut oil, 1/8 tablespoon of Raji's curry spice mix, salt to taste, curry leaves nicely sliced diagonally, around 6 curry leaves, 1 cup of water. Broccoli is nicely washed, and we have just taken the top heads of the broccoli, taking the stem and keeping it aside. Now this broccoli goes into boiling water for it to be blanched quickly. Small saute pan, bring water to boil and add some salt to it and put our broccoli. Let it come to boil. So the water is just enough to cover broccoli. We're going to bring this to boil and strain away the water and nicely pat dry the broccoli. We're just going to blanch this in salted water. Broccoli is nicely boiling. We're going to strain this and pat dry the broccoli heads. Strained it and I'm patting it dry after running it with little bit of peas in a blender, and we are going to make a puree of this. We're going to strain the peas puree to eliminate any tough skin left, and we are going to press it with a spatula so that the puree is nicely going inside the bowl. We don't want any of this tough skin coming in the soup. We have strained it out and see all that extra skin. We're going to remove that and just use our saute pan, enough for our 1 cup of water, and now add our peanut oil to it. Keep this on medium heat. Now add cumin and mustard and let it change color. And we're going to add our curry powder also to this. So we have that nice aroma of curry powder coming out of it. Now we are going to add our curry leaves. And to this we are going to add our blanched. Let it saute for a couple of minutes. And we are going to add our broccoli florets to this. And our peas puree also we are going to add to this now. Peas puree to this and nicely mixing it so they are all combined. Add 1 cup of water and salt. You can taste it later and then add a little bit more if needed. Nicely mix this and bring it to boil. Our soup is coming to boil. Let it simmer for just a couple of minutes so all the flavors get into the soup and then the broccoli. Taste it and see if the seasoning is enough. I add a little salt to this one so the seasoning is enough. Almost boiling, just a couple of minutes and we are ready to plate this. Our soup is completed, nicely boiling. Now we are going to immediately remove it from the heat, add some curry leaves to garnish and serve this dish. Plated our soup and I'm garnishing it with stirring in the curry leaves. Slightly mix it. Our broccoli and green peas soup with mustard and curry leaves is ready. The aromas of curry powder and the Indian curry leaves with mustard and cumin is very aromatic and it is very inviting, and this is a very nice soup. As you see, it is like a clear soup, but it is a green soup. And our broccoli and green pea soup with Indian curry leaves and mustard seeds is ready to be served. Enjoy.